Good morning. Happy Saturday. Let's take a quick peek at the Apple monthly chart real quick. We've been talking about how strong this level of support is, and look what happened. Around this 164, we came on down and we tapped it, but we were not able to break and hold. So that just pushed us right back up to the next level that we were talking about a few weeks ago, this 170 triple bottom area. So earnings are coming up soon. With that in mind, we want to keep our eye on a few different levels. If we cannot break above 170, we can head back down to that 164 level. If we do break above 170 and we're able to hold that level as support moving forward, then the next level to be mindful of is this 180 on this trend line right here. This trend line has been held for several months now, so that would be a significant break to the upside should we break that 180 and hold. So these are great swing opportunities as well. You can always swing if we break and hold above from 170 to 180, and the opposite if we cannot hold from 170 down to 164. So let's take a peek really quick at one other Apple chart. Let me scoot it over so you can see it. So this one is the daily, sorry about that. This is the daily chart. And I want to show you a couple different things that you can look at on this one that's interesting too. So our daily trend line held so strong for a really long time, right? And then we popped up above here in March and looked like such a beautiful breakout. We immediately came right back down. We have been just chopping right along that daily trend line for a very long time. We got a beautiful break and run here. We tapped the exact same spot, so we've double topped now on April 12th, and that pushed us all the way back to our trend line yet again. If you look here, we actually retested on the other side of the trend line this time and pushed off instead of falling under. So moving into earnings, we have to just be mindful. It looks like a really nice break and push. We could possibly see some more upside, but we do have this chop right here that we have been stuck in for days previously, right? So I like the retest on the daily. I like that push off for some continuation, but we have a few things to be mindful of. This double top at 178, about 178.70. That might be a harder level for us to break above, right? So we could head on up for earnings and stop about here, or we could come back down and chop again because of this level and head back down to that trend line. So this is kind of what I'm looking for, key components for how to trade moving forward. So far, we're holding above that previous trend line on the daily, so it's beautiful, the hold and push. Let's see if we get some continuation on up, or if we pull back yet again.